Stop scrolling. Right now, you are unknowingly destroying the most powerful machine on the planet, your own brain. I was doing exactly the same thing until I discovered a hidden system that changed my entire reality. Watch until the end, because this secret will completely rewrite your future. Have you ever realized that you are walking around with a dying supercomputer right inside your head? It is a machine more powerful than anything built in a secret tech laboratory, capable of creating the exact future you dream of. Yet, every single day, you are slowly destroying it without even knowing. You feel tired, you feel stuck, you feel like your life is just average, and you cannot figure out why. The truth is shocking, and it is happening to your brain right now. But if you stay with me until the very end of this video, I will show you exactly how to stop this silent destruction and unlock the power you actually deserve. Welcome to Glaze English. If you want to transform your mind and improve your life with us, please subscribe right now to support the channel so we can keep making videos that help you grow. Let me share a hard truth that hit me deeply. I looked at my daily habits and realized a terrifying paradox. I was taking much better care of a piece of metal and glass than my own mind. I know you do this too. We buy an expensive smartphone. We protect its fragile screen. We clear its storage the moment it gets full. We panic and run to charge the battery the second it drops below 20%. But our own minds? We completely ignore them. We let our biological supercomputer run on old, corrupted software. We feed it endless digital garbage, and then we wonder why our focus is entirely broken. I felt this deep frustration myself. I finally understood that my brain controls my thoughts. My thoughts direct my actions, and my actions dictate my life. If we do not upgrade our internal system, our reality will never upgrade. Today, we fix this together. To truly upgrade that internal system, we first need to understand the brutal war happening right now over your attention and your energy. Think about your brain as a brilliant machine that never stops running, constantly absorbing everything around you. I used to wake up, grab my phone, and immediately start scrolling through random videos and stressful news. I was leaving the front door of my mind wide open for trash to walk right in. I realized that whatever you look at, whatever you listen to, slowly becomes the way you think. If you pour dirty water into an engine, it breaks down. So why was I surprised when my mind felt cloudy and distracted? I had to become a guard at the door of my mind. I started giving just 20 minutes a day to real, useful input, like reading a good book or absorbing powerful ideas that actually build me up. But fixing your input is useless if your battery is dead. This leads to something I struggled with for years, which is managing my daily energy. Most of us believe that if we just had more time, we would finally succeed. But I learned the hard way that having 10 free hours means absolutely nothing if your brain is too tired to think. Energy is so much more valuable than time. When your brain is exhausted from staying up late and staring at glowing screens, simple tasks feel heavy. I often felt lazy, but I was not lazy at all. My internal battery was just completely drained. You have to actively protect your energy. Sleep properly. Step outside, breathe real air, and let the sunlight hit your face. Your brain needs nature and genuine rest to truly recover, not just another quick video. Finally, your energy is deeply shaped by the space around you. I noticed that when my room was a mess, my thinking was a mess. When I spent time with people who complained, my motivation died. Your environment is quietly programming you every single second. Clean your physical space. Unfollow digital noise. Choose friends who push you to grow. Once I started protecting my space, my input, and my sleep, the fog in my mind finally began to clear, and I felt alive again. Once you clear the fog from your outside environment, you must look inward and face the massive amount of clutter hiding inside your internal hard drive. Your brain stores every single memory, every quiet worry, and every past mistake you have ever made. For a long time, I walked around carrying this incredibly heavy mental weight of past failures. I would overthink every small decision until I felt completely paralyzed and exhausted. I did not realize that my brain was simply processing old, corrupted data over and over again. Our minds are built to create ideas and solve problems, not to be a permanent storage box for daily stress. Just like a computer freezes when its memory is completely full of junk files, your life slows down when you hold on to unnecessary fears. I had to learn how to manually clear my internal cache. I started sitting quietly for just a few minutes a day, breathing deeply, and writing my chaotic thoughts down in a notebook. When you write your worries down, you pull them out of your head and trap them on the physical page. It instantly frees up your mental processing power. But clearing out the old junk is not enough if you keep writing bad code into your system. This brings us to the silent stories we tell ourselves every single day. We all have an inner voice, but mine used to be incredibly cruel. I would constantly tell myself that I was not smart enough, that I was not ready, or that I was going to fail anyway. I had to wake up and realize this negative self-talk was just a terrible script I was playing on repeat. You have to consciously step in and rewrite that script. You must catch yourself in the act. When your brain automatically says that you cannot do something, you have to forcefully replace it by saying that you simply have not learned how to do it yet. Here is the deepest truth I have discovered on this journey. Your brain will simply follow whatever instructions you give it. If you deeply believe you are weak, your mind will look for every excuse to prove you are right, keeping you stuck in your safe zone. But if you begin to program new instructions, telling yourself daily that you are growing and improving, your brain will start finding ways to make that your actual reality. You are never defined by your past mistakes. You are only defined by the new beliefs you choose to install today. But installing those new, powerful beliefs requires a strong execution engine, and that engine is built entirely on your ability to focus and repeat. For a long time, I honestly thought I was being highly productive by trying to do 5 things at once. I would try to study, check my messages, and listen to an audio track, all at the exact same time. I was completely lying to myself. I was not multitasking at all. I was just quickly switching tasks, constantly breaking my attention, and forcing my brain to constantly restart. Because of this, my results were always painfully average. I realized that a scattered mind simply cannot produce deep, meaningful work. True power only appears when you give your absolute, undivided attention to one single task. I had to actively train myself to put my phone in another room and work in quiet, uninterrupted 30-minute blocks. At first, it felt almost impossible. My mind constantly begged for a quick distraction, but slowly, that deep, single focus became my ultimate superpower. Yet, I soon discovered that even the deepest focus will fail you if you only do it once. This used to be my biggest frustration. I would try really hard for one single day, expecting my entire life to magically transform overnight. And then I would feel crushed and stop when nothing happened. I had to accept the undeniable law of repetition. Your brain simply does not build permanent connections from one single burst of intense effort. It builds strong neural highways through small, daily, consistent practice. Think about it like walking through a wild, overgrown forest. The very first time you push through the bushes, it is incredibly difficult and exhausting. But if you walk that exact same path every single day, it eventually becomes a clear, smooth road. You do not need to push yourself for 10 exhausting hours to see real change. I learned that dedicating just 15 to 30 minutes of focused daily effort creates a massive compounding effect over time. It is never about being perfect for just one intense day. It is about showing up for yourself every single day, training your mind again and again until your new habits become completely automatic. When you finally commit to that daily repetition, you step out of the passenger seat and become the true driver of your own mind. I look back at the person I used to be, entirely reactive and constantly exhausted, and the ultimate truth is now completely clear to me. A tired, neglected brain simply cannot create a powerful, meaningful life. For so long, I lived as a blind consumer, letting the digital world quietly dictate my daily thoughts, my core beliefs, and exactly how I felt about myself. But we do not have to live that way anymore. We now have a blueprint to upgrade our internal system. By guarding our daily input, protecting our physical energy, clearing out old mental junk, and focusing deeply on what actually matters, we shift from being helpless victims of constant digital distraction to becoming the absolute masters of our daily reality. It is not an overnight fix, but rather a beautiful, lifelong evolution. I am making a personal promise to myself to protect this biological supercomputer, and I am asking you to make that exact same promise today. This is not just a motivational speech or a random video to pass the time. This is the actual system I am actively using to rebuild my own life right now. We are doing this together. Looking back at everything we have talked about today, it all comes down to one single, life-changing realization. We have spent so much of our lives sleeping at the wheel. We have allowed the loud noise of the digital world to quietly dictate our daily thoughts, and we have treated our most precious asset, our mind, like a dumping ground for endless distractions. But waking up to this reality is the greatest gift you can give yourself. You possess an instrument so incredibly advanced that it can solve massive problems, learn complex skills, and completely redesign your future. But it can only do this if you finally decide to be the active programmer instead of just a passive user. The most profound lesson I have taken from this entire journey is that your current reality is not just something that randomly happens to you. It is something you continuously generate from the inside out. When you strictly guard your daily input, bravely clear out the emotional junk files, and fiercely protect your physical energy, the outside world simply shifts to match your new internal strength. To apply this to your life right now, do not try to fix every single habit at once, because it will easily overwhelm you. Just pick one small thing. Tonight, try leaving your smartphone in another room before you sleep to give your brain a real chance to recover. Or, tomorrow morning, instead of immediately scrolling through social media, spend your first 15 minutes listening to a powerful idea that actually builds your confidence. Small, deliberate daily actions are what permanently rewrite the deep code of your mind. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. What is one specific digital distraction or negative mental habit that you are going to finally remove from your life starting today? Please share your answer down in the comments section so we can all read, connect, and learn from each other. Finally, if you found this message valuable, please hit that subscribe button to support Glaze English. Your encouragement gives us the motivation to keep creating better content to help you grow.